Today, I will show you how to install and play eFootball 2026 on your Android device using the PPSSPP emulator. I will also be revealing the best settings to utilize so that you can get the best FPS and graphics on any device. Now, simply start by going to your Google Play Store and searching for PPSSPP because you're actually going to need this app. Now, go ahead and download this app to your device. You can either download the normal version or the golden version. Now, once you are done with that, search for Z Archiver. Now, this is very important. Make sure you download this to your device. Now, once you are done with this, open your emulator for the very first time. Now, once you open your emulator for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply click on OK. That will take you to your main directory like this. Once you get to your main directory, simply choose any folder that you want to utilize. So as for me, I like using the document folder. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. So right now you can see there's no game here to play. Now we have to locate our game file. So now we open our Z Archiver and we will locate our eFootball 2026 game file, the PSP game file. So once I come in here, you can see my game file is right here. Now please make sure you stay focused during this process because if you are to make any single mistake, it's not going to work. So what you have to do, tap on it. If you tap on it just once, you see extract here. So simply click on extract here. And it's going to start extracting all the files that is needed. Alright, right now you can see it is done extracting all the files. Now you see that there is a PSP folder in here. If I go in here, you can see everything. You can see the save data file. You can see every single thing that is actually needed in here. Now what we have to do, we have to actually start moving these files. Now we have to start moving these files. Now the first thing we need to move is the save data file. So what we're going to do, we'll hold down on it, we'll click cut, and then we'll go to our main PSP folder. If you remember, our main PSP folder is inside the document section. So I'll click on document, PSP, save data, and I'll paste it in there. Then I'll go back in here in my download section. We have already moved the save data file. Now we have to move the textures. So we'll click on textures, we'll hold down on this folder, we'll cut it, then we'll go to our main PSP folder, which is inside the document section. Document, PSP, this is our main PSP folder. So we'll go to the texture section, we'll paste it in there. Then we'll go back in here to the extracted files. So right now you can see we have moved the save data, we have moved the texture. Now the only thing left to move is this eFootball file at the top. Now you are going to be moving the folder. You want to go inside the folder like the way we normally go inside the folder like this. So what we need to move now is the entire eFootball folder. So we hold down on it, you click cut, you go to your main PSP folder in the document section, PSP. This time we are going to be going to the game section. You click on game, then you paste it inside the game section. Now once you are done with this, go ahead and reopen your emulator. Now you can see there's still no game here to play. That's because the emulator don't know where we are keeping this game. So all we have to do is to click the browse icon that you can see at the top. So once you click on browse, let's do it from the beginning. Documents, PSP, click on game. You can see the game here. Use this folder, allow. Now you can see the game is there and is ready to play. So this is how you get it done. Now you need some settings to give you the best FPS and performance on any device. I already have a dedicated video on that and I will recommend it at the end of this video. So all you have to do, just stick to the end of this video so you can actually get access to those settings. Now let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Lukaku. Oh, great chance! That's not going to find its target. That's quarter of an hour gone. Gets it, and now what? Woo! Back of the net! Wonderful timing! Clark draw! Oh, that was an exquisite through ball. He took the chance.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.